how to charge your Android phone that has this lightning cable, which USB. I lost the original charger, so I got this charger, but it happens to be USB-C. So in order to do that, I got this adapter. Let's check it out. This is by Jsaux. It comes in a pack of 2. This is exactly what it looks like. All right, so we're gonna connect this first part to the charger itself. And then we're gonna take the original cable that came with the phone, with the Android, and we're gonna connect this part. Okay, now we're gonna take the phone. Let's connect the lightning port cable and let's see if it charges the phone. Okay, so there it is, it's charging the phone. You can tell by the little lightning bolt part right there, and it works just as it should. So if you're looking for a solution for that, if you come across that problem, then, and I like the fact that it's got that little braided and it's not super long, it's just long enough for me. If you're looking for something long, then this might not be for you, but for my purpose, this works just perfect.